Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3 for second term. Inshallah. Our unit is changing materials. In this module, you will look at the ways you can change materials and you can sort different materials into groups like if they are bendy or they are absorbent or they are see-through, like that, or maybe they are made of wood or maybe they are made of plastic, like that as well. Learn that some materials are found naturally and some are made, like glass, which is made, wood, which is naturally found. Okay, except that we have word cloud on page number 38. Number 1, we have materials, then melt, bend, solid, natural, stretch, and twist. So what you have to do as homework is to write these words in your notebook and send them to me. This is your homework. Okay, material, melt, bend, solid, natural, stretch, and twist. These are 7 words in word cloud to write. Ayaz, how are you, Ayaz? Are you fine?
Ustaz, I am fine.
MashaAllah. Okay, so page 39. Look at the photograph, and it has a surah. How is the man changing the shape of clay? يعني كيف هو غير شكل حق الكلي يعني تراب. إياس إيش الجواب مكتوب عندك؟ What is the answer written with you?
دقيقة أستاذ قاعد أطلع الكتاب.
Okay.
أستاذ كم الصفحة؟
39 يا إياس. Okay, someone else came. Malik Mustafa. Now boys are coming to join the class. Good.
Hello.
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 Malik Mustafa, how are you?
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
I am fine.
That's good.
Yes.
Okay. So here you have word cloud. You will write these words in your notebook. اكتب هذا الكلمات في الدفتر. هذا واجب. Okay, this is your homework. Words are Hello, Michelle Khalid. Words are material, bend, melt, solid, natural, stretch, and twist. So what we have here on this page.
Okay.
Okay. Look at the photograph as a surah. How is the man changing the shape of the clay? كيف هو غير الصورة حق التراب؟ Who will tell me?
أنا إيهاب.
Yes, إيهاب تفضل.
بلاي جيل بلاي جلاي change فازر.
How they are singing? With hands.
فازر.
With hands and tools.
قديم.
With hands and tools. Write this in your notebook. With hands and tools. Okay, next we have, look at the photograph. How is the woman changing the shape of the steel? How the woman is changing the shape of the steel? She is changing by hitting with hammer. So we will write by hitting with hammer. By hitting with hammer, not by heating. Hitting. Yani zarab. Do you think it is easier to change the shape of the clay or the steel? ايش السهل؟ غير شكل تراب ولا؟ ايوه clay is easy. So we will write here clay.
Clay.
Clay is easier to change. So you write here clay only. When have you changed the shape of something? Look at the pictures for clues. So we can write here. You can write, I folded a paper, or
A paper.
yes, good, okay.
I
I folded
all the paper.
or I scrunched a paper or whatever. By the way, I received some good projects from Jamil, from many others as well. So you sent me, that's good. You made that paper scrunched project, that was good. So what's on? Finished or baki? Have you finished?
Yes. Yes.
Min baki, who did not finish? أي أحد? Okay. Amazing fact is changing the shape of materials isn't a new idea, is not. Isn't means is not. A new idea. People who lived more than 10,000 years ago made metal jewelry. So they made jewelry with metals. Next page, which is page number 41. On this page, we have changing shapes of materials. Understand the shapes of some materials can be changed. Here you can see a project which was made by Jamil and I think Michelle or Ahab. You sent me, that's good.
Yes.
Okay, this was paper scrunching. We can make things change shape by squashing, bending, and stretching. So that's the way you can change. How did you change the shape of the paper? By scrunching it.
Scrunching.
By scrunching, very nice.
Scrunching.
Like and make it real. By scrunching. Okay. Bending, squashing, and twisting a material will change its shape. Another way to change the shape of a material is stretch. Stretch means like Like you have a rubber band and you make from here and here. You will grab and stretch like this, and it will come back. Stretch, come back. Stretch, it will be back. So this is called stretching. Okay, with the rubber band, that is called stretching. Measure the material. Okay, what we will do, materials that you are testing, weight and ruler. Okay, you will take a ruler. This is an activity we will do in school. By the way, which material stretched the most? If you have some materials and you stretch them, so rubber bands will stretch the most, I think. Rubber bands. Rubber bands stretch the most. Okay, fill in the blank answer boxes using the words in the word bank. One has been done for you. Number one is squashing. When we sit on a cushion, it is changed by squashing. Number two, what is the answer? Anyone? Number two, a horseshoe has to be made by, again,
Bending.
by bending. Very nice.
Bending. Bending.
Bending. Okay, that's good.
Bending.
Okay. Number three, wringing clothes dry is an example of twisting. Twisting, yes, very good. That's nice. Last one, we make an elastic band longer by stretching.
Stretching.
Sorry, it's high. Stretching. Here, rubber band is also an example of the same like elastic band. So this is stretching. Number one, when we sit on a cushion, it's an example of squashing. Number two, a horseshoe has made by bending. Number three, wringing clothes are the examples of twisting. Number four, we make an elastic band longer by stretching. This is number four. خلصت ولا باقي؟ من باقي.
Finish.
من باقي. Who did not
Finish. Finish.
Great. Okay, moving towards next page, which is page number.
I'm good.
Sorry. Page number 42. Page number 42. On page 42, we have heating materials. Heating and har. Heating materials. Look at the way some everyday materials change when they are heated or cooled. Like what? Like if you take, we can change the things by heating them. List 2 ways you have changed material in the last lesson. Okay, who will tell me any 2 ways of to change the material? Number one, 2 ways to change the materials. يعني كيف أغير الشكل? How can you change?
بالحرارة.
No, before that. قبل هذا, قبل. By stretching, very good. Stretching, and number 2 by scrunching or by twisting. You have a lot. Here you wrote it, na? Here you wrote them on this page. 4 ways, صح? 4. So they need only 2. So we wrote here stretching and scrunching. Class. So look at the photograph. Do you know what they show? They are showing twisting, right? They twisted this A to B. Change the shape. The shape of these metals has been changed. One has been changed by bending and the other by twisting. This is by bending and this is by twist. Hello, Ahmed An-Nufay. How are you?
I am fine.
Which one has been changed by bending and which one has been changed by twisting? A is by bending and B is by twisting. You will write here. Here you can write, okay. By bending, and number 2, B by twisting. Okay. Materials can also be changed by heating or cooling them. Heating something means to make it hotter, yani hatto hada nar. Cooling means to make something colder, yani hatto fi thalaja, zay thalaja. Something like ice. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
No. Thank you.
Okay. What is your homework? Your homework is to write these words in your notebook and send them to me. This is your homework. Page number 38. هذا واجب. مكتوب كلمات. There we have some words. Materials, melt, bend, solid, natural, stretch, twist. And you will write and send it to me. Noor, موجود نور?
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Page number كم?
Page number 38.
Yes, Ustad.
Page number 38.
Yes,
هذا
yes.
كلمات. Okay. These words: material, melt, solid, bend, natural, stretch, and twist. Okay. These words
واجب
you will
أستاذ
write in
هذا؟
your notebook and write. أيوة اكتب في الدفتر وارسل. هذا واجب بس.
يكتب الدفتر. طيب أوكي.
أيوة.
شكرا.
Thank you so much. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.